Welcome to Katerina Finds. I received this 6-foot long artificial Norfolk pine garland for review. Let's open up and see how it looks. First of all, this is the garland itself, but also it comes with bells, with berries, and pine cones. So this way you can actually put it together based on what you're trying to decorate with it. Look how realistic it looks. I'm going to assemble it and show you how it looks. This is 6-foot cedar leaf artificial garland that comes with 5 pieces of holly berries, bells, and plastic pine cones. All the accessories are not attached to the branch, so you can decorate as you wish. Artificial pine needle garland is made of quality plastic, which is not only realistic in appearance, but also sturdy, not damaged easily. The quality material ensures the long-term use to decorate, and it's suitable for repeated use. Lifelike needle texture and color of each stem is so real looking. Christmas is coming, and this garland would be very suitable as a Christmas decoration. But not only as a Christmas decoration, it can be used for many other decoration purposes. I'm going to use it for Thanksgiving too. The garland itself is very bendable, and you can position stems as you need to. They're very soft but holding the shape well. Whether twined around the staircase railing, hung by the window, or laid out on a flat, the shape can be easily adjusted to suit your decorative needs. It's perfect for home decoration, holiday decoration in office, stores, and other public places. It's an eye-catching decoration for all environments. It's made from PVC plastic. You can always add Christmas tree ornaments to decorate even further. This artificial pine branch looks so real, didn't have smell to it, has all the decoration. You can style it in so many different ways. I did it on a dining table, you can put it on the staircase, on a fireplace. It doesn't have to only be decoration for the home, it can be great decoration for the office, for the school, for many other environments. Christmas is coming and we can start decorating. It looks so unique and so pretty. It's made from durable material. I very much enjoy the quality and craftsmanship and do recommend it.